Today on the Healthy Skillet, we're making a refreshing electrolyte Jell-O that's low carb, hydrating, and gut supportive. The perfect treat for anyone living a low sugar lifestyle. Instead of using fancy supplements or expensive grass-fed gelatin, I'm using simple, affordable Knox gelatin and a sugar-free electrolyte mix packed with BCAAs and B vitamins. This combination helps your body restore hydration and muscle balance after workouts, long days in the sun, or even just when you're feeling run down. The BCAAs support muscle recovery, the B vitamins help energy metabolism, and the gelatin provides glycine and collagen, precursors that help soothe and repair the gut lining. Best of all, this Jell-O sets up perfectly. Bouncy, smooth, and naturally flavored by your electrolyte drink. It's an easy, everyday way to turn something functional into something fun and actually delicious. Let's make it. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching today's gut healing Jell-O recipe. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. If you're new, I'd love to have you join us. Hit subscribe and come along as we explore more simple, low-carb, gut-friendly recipes and healthy swaps that make everyday cooking easier. And if you want the products we used in this video, no affiliation, just what we personally used, we'll have everything linked for you in the pinned comment below.